I'm also video prepping too. I'm gonna be recording I'm gonna try to record quite a bit. So I have a dilemma, right? So my SD card inside of this Hero 10 is 256 gigs, and according to the GoPro, that's about 4 hours or so of recording. And so if I'm going for the weekend, I'm definitely going to be doing more than 4 hours of recording. And so I don't know if I should, and I am thinking that I might have to. I might have to bring the laptop and the external drive so that basically I can dump the videos on it and clear out the card on the GoPro so I can keep recording more, right? So, but then obviously that's more stuff to carry. It's like now I have to carry the duffel bag. I might be able to fit everything into the duffel bag, and if it does fit, then I may have to get like a book bag as well. But man, I'd hate to have a book bag on my back for 4+ hours of riding, even though we're obviously going to be taking breaks. But I'd hate to have a backpack on my back for 4+ hours. So we'll see. I don't know how big of a duffel bag will fit on the back of this dumb thing, so I can't go like huge, or else it's going to be unbalanced and it's going to be clunky and it may not work well. So I don't know. I honestly may have to do like test runs or whatever with the duffel bag before I go to test out the size of the duffel bag that is going to work the best. I may have to actually do that. Well, I mentioned it earlier, but I've been pretty absent on the channel, and like I said, I've just been trying to reorganize and reprioritize some stuff in my life where, like I said, to make life a little bit easier for me. But I don't know, at the same time too, it kind of gives me a mental break, and that way I can really focus on what is important for my family and what's important for the channel and the content and stuff like that. But like I said, I don't want to, I just started the channel, honestly. Like, well, I want to say I just started it, but I've been going, I think, when I started pushing out content, it's probably close to a year now. And so some of you guys might be like, yeah, bro, like, I've been doing this for X amount of years and I don't have to take mental breaks. And I'm like, oh, I get it. But for me, because I have a lot of other things going on in life, not to say that anybody else doesn't have a lot of things going on, but I'm just saying I have a lot of things going on. So I do have to take more mental breaks, just because I'm the kind of person who, once I get focused on something, like I'm driving, right? Like I'm 100% and I'm driving consistently without brakes. So that could cause there's a mental toll that takes place when I push that hard and stuff like that. So I'm learning not to. I'm trying not to, and that's where my mental breaks come in, where I take mental breaks. That's the reason why. It's because if I don't, then I'll just keep driving, because I'll want to do this better, or I want to do this, or I'll want to do retakes on this and that, and I just don't have time for that, honestly. Like, a lot of my stuff that you guys see is one take, a lot of it, if not all of it. Well, not all of it, but there's a lot of it that is one take only, and that's it. I don't come back out on the bike. I don't retake if it's pictures, it's fine, it's easy to do, right? Because pictures are easy. You just take a billion pictures and you pick one that looks good. But with video, then for me there is no, all right, let's go back, let's line the bike up, you know, all that, right? I don't do any of that. I just one take in the video and I get what I get, because I don't have time to come out here and spend 6 hours riding around town trying to make the videos or trying to get this or this better shot. And I don't carry any like GoPros. I mean, I don't carry any like tripods with me. I'm just riding around with the battery I have, my GoPro, and my fanny pack, which has extra batteries, and that's pretty much it. And it has my ND filters. That's what I ride around with normally. So it's not like I have a tripod on my back all the time everywhere I go. That's not how I roll. It's just, I think it's just too much work for me, because I know that I don't have a lot of time for these things. So, but again, that's what I'm talking about, is that because I have to take mental breaks because of that, because I'm thinking about, oh, should I do that? Should I create more time to do the same shot over and over again so that I can get it looking good, looking perfect, the angle I want, all that stuff, right? If you've done any type of content, when even on a smaller scale, right? If you've done content, then you understand that, all right, you're trying to make the best shot possible, right? You're trying to make the best material possible. But like I said, just the stuff that I have to go through, and then like I said, the window that I have, like today, like making this video, I have a window. I don't have a lot. Like, I have to work tonight, so I have to be done I have to be done in like an hour and a half. So it's like, all right, I got an hour and a half to take one take of all this junk that's running through my head, that I want to talk about, or that I think I should address in regards to the channel, the bike, you know, any of that stuff, right? My gear, crap like that, right? So that's the stuff I run through my head, and so it makes it rather difficult, and that's why sometimes you guys see my videos, they go long, even though I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna go out here, hit this real quick, maybe do like a 5 to 7 minute video, and then all of a sudden I'm sitting at 30 minutes. I go back into the editing room, and I'm like, all right, I really want to talk about this, I kind of want to include this, I kind of want to include that, and I'm sitting at like 20 minutes, I'm sitting at like 30 minutes. I'm like, oh my god, dude, it's like I'm like, nobody's gonna sit there for 30 minutes and listen to me ramble. So I have to cut a lot of that crap out, even though I'm talking about it here, some of that stuff never makes it to production, right? It never makes it to the YouTubes, just because I'm like, all right, it's just way too long. And so that's why I've mentioned in the past that, man, sometimes I wish I had a team to help me with this stuff, because I'm like, crap. But then again, I'm broke, so I can't pay people to produce that for me. Which is fine. Like I said, I'm too small. I'm way too small of a channel to even consider paying anybody for anything to help me with whatever, right? So it's, but like I said, it's just, you know, like the stuff that does run through my brain, that's all. It's just stuff that goes through my head. So yeah, there's that. A lot of ramblings.